Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Wagyu beef truly stands out in the culinary world, famous for its incredible marbling. This unique characteristic creates a rich, buttery flavor that sets it apart. The high-quality fat melts beautifully when cooked, ensuring every bite is wonderfully tender and juicy. By treating this exquisite meat with care, you'll unlock its full potential, offering a dining experience that's truly unforgettable. Preparing your Wagyu correctly is key to achieving perfection. First, always bring your steak to room temperature before cooking, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Next, pat the steak thoroughly dry with paper towels. This ensures you get a beautiful, even sear on the surface. Finally, season simply with a good quality coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This minimal approach lets the Wagyu's natural flavors shine through. Now for the cooking itself. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's very hot, but definitely not smoking. Carefully place your Wagyu steak into the dry pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 4 minutes, depending on the steak's thickness and your preferred doneness. The goal is to achieve a perfect, golden brown crust with a beautiful medium-rare interior, so monitor it closely as it cooks. Once your Wagyu is cooked to perfection, it's crucial to let it rest. Remove the steak from the pan and place it on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This seemingly simple step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it incredibly tender and moist. Afterward, slice your Wagyu against the grain into thin, bite-sized pieces. This technique maximizes that coveted melt-in-your-mouth texture everyone loves. Wagyu is so flavorful on its own, it's often best enjoyed simply. Consider pairing it with a small side of perfectly cooked rice or some lightly blanched greens. A delicate dipping sauce, like a light ponzu or just a touch of flaky sea salt, can also beautifully complement its rich taste. Embrace the entire experience, as each luxurious bite is a testament to both its exceptional quality and your careful preparation, making it truly special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.